Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with a clear top shelf. Remove food and set a towel below to catch drips or parts. Next, make sure interior lights or automatic dispensers won't activate. On some Samsung models, you can switch to vacation mode, but you can also just unplug for a few minutes. Now crouch level with the shelf edge, identify the small plastic stops or spring clips at the rear and the side rails, and prepare to release them. This is where you begin the removal. Once you've located the clips, tilt the shelf back slightly so the front lip clears its rail. You'll feel the shelf move free. While supporting weight with one hand, press the retaining clip or lift the small tab at the rear with your thumb and gently slide the shelf straight out toward you. If a clip resists, use a thin plastic spatula to depress the tab. Don't pry on glass. Keep movement steady so the shelf disengages without bending the rails. After the shelf clears both clips, lift it out and set it on your towel to avoid scratches. Inspect the plastic stops and metal rails for broken pieces or accumulated gunk. Clean with mild soap and water and replace any damaged clips before reinstalling. To put the shelf back, align rear tabs into the slots. Tilt down until the front lip seats, then press down gently until the clips snap. If the shelf won't seat, check for obstructions and try again. That's the main troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.